Welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making easy, delicious cheese crackers. So let's get started. We're gonna start off adding 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now our cheddar cheese has to be shredded. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now this butter does not have to be softened. 1 cup of flour. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pulse our dry ingredients until they look like sand. Okay everyone, this is how your dry ingredients should look once they are all blended together. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cold water to this, but we're gonna add them tablespoon by tablespoon, and we're gonna pulse our mixture until all the water is mixed in. 1 tablespoon of cold water. And we're gonna add it to our mixture, and then we're gonna pulse. Once all your water is added to your mixture, your dough should look like this. And we're gonna take it out of our food processor and put it into a little piece of plastic wrap. And make sure everything is evenly mixed. Now, if your food processor did not mix everything evenly, you can mix it a little bit with your hands. Now, we're just gonna make a little ball or a little square in your plastic. We're gonna put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. These have been in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now this is how my dough is looking. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some flour onto a clean board or a clean countertop. And with clean hands, we're gonna unwrap our dough, and we're gonna roll it with a roller until it's 1 centimeter thick. Just like this. Once your dough is 1 centimeter tall, we're gonna get a pizza cutter and we're gonna start cutting out our cheese crackers. Now I'm gonna do little squares, but you can do any shape you can with the cutter or the knife you're using. So now I'm just gonna do long, like really fat spaghettis, and then I am going to cross so that I can get a square. Now that I have my fat spaghettis, I'm gonna cut it the opposite way, just like this, so that we have little squares. I greased my pan with a little bit of unsalted butter, and then I added my cheese crackers, and now we're gonna put our cheese crackers in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll see you when these are ready. This is how my cheese crackers turned out after being in the oven for 15 minutes. They are absolutely perfect. They're crunchy and cheesy. So let's go on and do our taste test. Time for the taste test. Now I'm super excited to taste these because I love cheese crackers. So come on. They're absolutely delicious. They're the best cheese crackers I have ever had, and I've had a lot of cheese crackers. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. And you know what I also really appreciate? If you could give it a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Bye! See you next time.